You won't believe what ginger can do to your body. But science says it's true. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of ginger. That spicy little root that's been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. But did you know ginger packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits? Buckle up, because you won't believe what this fiery friend can do for your body. First things first. Ginger isn't just for nausea, although it absolutely rocks at that too. Research published in the journal, Phytotherapy Research showed that ginger was just as effective as medication in preventing nausea and vomiting after surgery. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Feeling sluggish? Ginger to the rescue. A study in the European Journal of Nutrition found that ginger actually helps your body burn more calories, thanks to its thermogenic properties. So, adding a little ginger to your morning smoothie might give your metabolism a much-needed boost. Speaking of boosts, how about your immune system? Ginger is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help fight off illness. A 2019 review published in Integrative Medicine Insights highlighted ginger's potential to reduce the severity and duration of the common cold. So, next time you feel a tickle in your throat, reach for some ginger tea. But wait, ginger has more to offer. Studies suggest ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help manage pain and stiffness caused by arthritis. Research indicates ginger may enhance memory, focus, and even protect against age-related cognitive decline. Some studies show ginger can improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, potentially benefiting people with diabetes. Remember, these are just some of the incredible things ginger can do. Of course, always consult your doctor before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. So, are you ready to unleash the power of ginger in your life? Here are some easy ways to incorporate it. Grate fresh ginger into your stir-fries, smoothies, or even salad dressings. Brew a soothing cup of ginger tea with honey and lemon. Try adding a pinch of ground ginger to your baked goods for a flavorful kick. Invest in some yummy ginger chews for a satisfying and healthy snack. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Give ginger a try and experience its amazing benefits for yourself. For a healthier you, don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.